AirTalk Wireless allows you to share your phone's internet connection as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Eligibility depends on your plan. Basic plans, $25 to $35, require a $5 per month hotspot add-on for up to 10 gigabytes of shared data. Higher tier plans, $45 and up, include hotspot functionality automatically. Hotspot is available via Wi-Fi sharing, which is more convenient for multiple devices. To check eligibility, log into the AirTalk app or visit myairtalk.com. First, purchase the Hotspot add-on through the AirTalk app or website if your plan requires it. Next, enable the Hotspot feature in your phone's settings, usually found under Connections or Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. Create a Wi-Fi password for your hotspot. Connect other devices using the provided Wi-Fi name and password. Remember, hotspot data counts toward your total plan data. Speeds depend on network coverage, with faster speeds in 5G areas. Security features like WPA2 encryption are standard.